Morning, guys, or afternoon again. Friday, yay day! Here we are, back on the tools again. Look at this, guys. We're on the kits, the big boys. So we made these up not so long ago. We had, how many have we done, Jules? We've sold about 20 of these in the last 7 weeks. That's the big boys toy there. It's a little empty at the moment, but we're going to be filling those up. Any reason why they're empty, Jules? No,
we're getting there.
We're getting there, guys. We sold a few more of these yesterday. They're being shipped out, so we're just replenishing the stock basically. So Julie's going to show you guys how it's done. See you, Julie.
See ya.
Oh,
see you next week.
It's like YouTube magic. YouTube magic. Look. That's what they look like now. Watch when I click my fingers, abracadabra. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, where are we? I'll get started. Let's go with those. 12 to 25. 20. I'll grab those, eh?
What's that?
I'll
The
get,
top ones?
I'll get some of the bolts. You're on washers.
Yeah.
They're all labelled. I'll start with the 10 by... Oh, I might as well start with the 12 by 30. I'll start with the bolt. Ooh, it's cold. Let's move this one out and I'll get out of your way. Yeah. So, 12 by 30, 20.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, look. Yeah, look guys, see, we do these things by hand. This is handmade. 100% Kiwi. Oh, saved by the bell. Good afternoon, J Fasteners Bolt Kit. I think mine would be more like a 4x9, 4x10 than on the top 7. How are you looking for that? It's close. That's exactly what it was. Didn't help up that Here we go, Joe. Magic number 20 was the magic number. Righto. I'm feeling it. Tell you guys, it feels like 2 degrees in here. It's not that warm. Just tilt yours down a little bit. Look at Julie there, she's just like a machine.
Can't feel my fingers.
Julie can't feel her fingers. Can
On my toes.
Oh, your toes. Can we do a fundraiser? Can we raise some money for Julie so we can buy her some gloves?
And some thermal socks.
And she wants thermal socks. I'll tell you what, this is like a chiller, man. A little bit cold in here.
Did you fill up that?
Oh, no, how many have I got in there? I didn't see that. Oh, that's Julie covered it, that's right. How many we got in there? There we go. I think there's that one. I just got one left to do. Yeah, one left.
So what are you doing this week?
Well, if it doesn't rain, I want to finish up my papers.
We'll be alright until Tuesday.
I was hoping I might be able to get out there tomorrow and finish off digging and then get some sevens away the meal. What do you got planned?
Junior's got a ball.
Oh, is that
School ball.
I think he's pretty excited about that one.
So I'm taking him shopping tonight
Yeah,
for a suit.
nice.
Yeah.
I tell you what, you got to do videos and put photos and stuff, eh?
Yeah. This is like his third ball.
Oh, so it's not his first rodeo.
No.
But thing.
And each year he wants a chicken soup.
Yeah. Yeah. My boy was the same.
He wants a bow tie this year. Not a tie.
That's cool. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's a date.
A date.
Yeah.
He's taking his best friend.
Hey.
Yeah, that he's already left school, so he's taking him as his. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, man. That's cool. And then they get the after ball.
Yeah.
That's the drinkies.
That's where they go and have some fun.
Yeah. That's where they party.
I'll be getting a call at 2 in the morning. Go and pick them up.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, any pre-ball drinks?
No, they're not allowed to drink. They'll get kicked out. But they probably do anyway.
It's a good night for them. I remember one year, Jared and they got on a bus somewhere. Where did they go after? I can't remember. They went somewhere in town. I think it was their last one. They had a bus and it was somewhere. Was it in Green Lane or in Jared? Can't remember. They went on a bus. They had a party bus. Yeah.
Yeah, I had one of those for my 21st.
That's cool, bro.
Yeah. My mum paid for it.
Nice, Jules.
My birthday present.
Ooh, good old mummy, eh?
Yeah.
Lucky you. Did I do all the 12x40s? Oh, look at that. Look how quick I am, guys. I didn't realise I'd done it. What am I looking for next? Hey, Jules. Guess what?
What?
Oh, no, you're alright. No. Lucky you did your label, right? You did your label. That was me. That's the list I was looking at. 1225. No, you did it right. You did it right. It was me. I was just reading it wrong. Here we go. I got it. See guys, it's like that little old saying, what's going to work? Teamwork. How many of these we got? 20. Right, I'm out of your way, Joe.
Oh, I was just thinking which one did I miss? Oh, that one.
I'll grab the 10 by 20s. 10 by 20. Here we go, 10 by 20s. Yeah, this guy, we haven't even touched our inwards goods yet. We actually had a busy morning, yeah, really.
Some good sales.
Yeah. Dirty.
Got our deliveries out.
Yeah, we did. Gaza never come back.
You were huffing and puffing.
Mm. I was.
I'm like that after a coffee, eh? You did your heart rate go up?
Give me a little, oh, give me a little pick me up.
Yeah.
A little pick me up. Like if I don't have coffee in the morning, honestly, I get a little bit, I'm a little bit flat.
A bit grumpy?
Yeah.
Yeah, same. I woke up to one, Josh went down the road and got one.
Yeah, like, first thing
He wakes up at 5 every morning. He's the first one at the cafe.
Yeah,
Every morning.
Good on Josh. Good way to go, Josh. See, for me, like, I'm like Josh, like, I get up early, and the first thing I do is I go in the kitchen, and I flick the jug. What does everybody else do? That's my first thing, guys. I get up about 5:30, I get up, I go straight to the kitchen, flick on the jug. That's breakfast.
Yeah, he springs out of bed.
Yeah, Josh is on top.
Like, literally springs out of bed.
You're on to it, Josh. That's the way to do it, man.
He turns the light on, I'm like, turn the fucking light on.
Julie's a swearer. I think. Yeah. Ten more, and I think I've done it. Oh, look at that, you have 10 in my hands, who needs scales? So, next one, 10 by 30. There, folks. These things, probably 60% done. I've got a carton in the bag. Why did I bring that to? Oh, yeah, I know. I used that and then I took that in there. That makes sense. 30.
Oh, the cops are outside.
Hey? The cops?
Yeah,
Where?
stop someone.
Oh, here we go, guys. Let's look for a bit of action.
Why is
Action,
there dramas?
Jackson. Here we go. What's happening in the town? Bloody hell. Oh, there we go. There we go. We won't show too much,
Someone
guys.
tried to, yeah.
Someone just got a ticket. Poor bugger.
Someone tried to casually come into the car park to try and not get a ticket, but then followed them in.
Oh no! There goes his Friday, yay day! Oops, it's that one. I got the dropsies. I think it's because I'm cold. Remember my count, guys? Got 17. Which one was I doing? Oh, that one. That's it. Yep. Next one. There. Put that in the rubbish. Then we want 40s. Oh, look, there's another one over here. Oh, is that the same one right in the ticket? Oh,
Yeah.
No, there's two cops. There's one right outside. The cops
That's what I
right outside our front door, guys. He's riding the ticket. Poor young fella. 20. Oh, look, I missed it. 10 by 30, I missed one. Big 30, missed one container.
Ah.
I missed one container, 10 by 30. Right in. Yeah. Here we go. I missed that one. Now guys, look at that. Look how they're taking shape. It's done away a little bit, but look at that. How's that for a kit for the man cave, eh? That is a good kit. And I think I'm running out of bolts to count for the joint too. Well, we got the 8s. 10 by 20s, I don't know. That's your 6s and 8s. That's quite a lot. Okay, I can do your 8 by 30, 40. Okay. I'm going to use Julie's 8 by 30 because it's 40. Look how fast Julie is, she's just blinding away with it.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, alright. There's the list. That's the 30. Oh, no, you still want to Oh, look at Julie go, guys.
Well, I don't know if there'll be enough M12. Let's see how we go.
Yeah, I'll get some more.
40.
Getting there. We're actually, you know what, we're actually knocking this out pretty quickly, eh?
just one missing. There's only one I can do.
That's pretty cool. Oh. Pick up the one I dropped. Okay. Alright. That's good, George. Right. Let's go like this. Let's do a little show and tell. Here you go, guys. I was talking about this stuff last week. We actually got some in. As usual, I always use gravity, turn the can upside down. I'm going to show you guys the CRC Pro Seal. Now, you'd use this on your inner garden net. It's a nice dry, it'll dry as a dry film, so you can paint over it, but you wouldn't want to really. So, we're going to go like this, guys, and we're going to test it out. So that's it there, guys, but let's get some steel. Where's our steel? Where's some steel? All I want is some steel. Here we go. Let's use one of these. It's a nail plate. This will give you the idea. Here we go, guys. And up there, because that's shop stock. And whoa, she's got a smell to her. She looks pretty good. Bring you over. And that, my friends, is Pro Seal. It's actually very good stuff. I recommend it. So that's one of the other products from CRC. And amongst all their other stuff. So I'm going to move this out the way, guys, because that it's actually smells quite nice, but it's pretty staunch. There we go. Now, let's have a looky. Right. You finished this, guys? No. I did my job. Look at you go. You're on fire.
These were out the back, so.
Yeah, that's the one. Otherwise we'll be refilling the containers. So look at them, guys, they're getting there. They're getting a little heavier. Look at that. So we just got to fill all that, and then those are the kits done. So there's, I think, going by memory, I think it was 2000, no, it doesn't tell you. I think there was 2000, no, I can't remember. Or was it 1634 or 2000 pieces or something like that? No. It's a huge number. So they're well worth their value, and they're all 8.8 high tensile bolts. And so that's our Pro Sols marking paint. We've got a lot of that. That's it there in the red. So that'll go on the shelf. actually. It's looking a little empty down there. We'll fill that up soon. So this is what we're doing today, guys. It looks like we've had our flurry of the customers. It's Friday. We have been a bit busy packing orders this morning. I'll show you what we've packed. So come with us and we'll show you. And we've got all our tape in. All of that, guys, is going out to clients. There's quite a few bits and bobs in there. That, we're waiting for the client to come pick that up. There's a few bits and bobs there. This is just to show you, I'll take some out. But this is some of our new stuff. I just haven't priced it yet or displayed it. So, those are our Galv T-hinges. That's a 150 heavy duty T-hinge. They call it a T-hinge because hold that way, it looks like a T. And then we've got our hook and hasp over here, Galv. So we're doing those. We're also doing our 100mm Galv pad bolt. And the last but least, if I can spot them, guys, and I'll show you. Here we go. These are our 100mm Galv T-hinges. Good for your chicken coops, your little light sheds, well, your little sheds you've got with the smaller doors on them, brass pins in them. So, Galv T-hinges with brass pins. So, that's something new to us. So, we'll be displaying those next week. Be pricing them up. I don't know what they're worth yet. Got to have a look at that. So, that's all new. So we've been pretty busy, really. It's been a busy day. Sold a few gloves. Julie's back on a mission. She's got some sort of bolts going on. So if you look in the last 20 odd minutes, look at what we've done, guys. It's quite a few kits, quite a few bolts. So those will be going on the shelf shortly up for sale. Replenishing what we sold. So we're going to finish this off and we're probably going to end it here, guys. So what should we do, Jules? What's our plan? Should we just let it roll?
You're the boss.
Okay, let's let it roll, guys. Let it roll. Let it roll. Oh look, and oh no, that's it. I would have shown you otherwise. It's just a parts cleaner. It's like breath cleaner, pretty much. It's like breath cleaner. There we go. I'm just standing around like the gopher. I should open that stuff, eh? There we go. Look at that. See, it's starting to dry, but look, guys, pretty good, eh? That's Pro Seal. Look, I can see Eric outside. He's got his F-150 out there. Look at this, guys. I'll point it through the window. How's that for a truck? That's pretty nice, eh? That's a very nice truck. And the fella that built that truck got all his nuts and bolts from us to build that truck. So, that's Eric's. I hope everyone saw it.
That's the thing about wires, it's a small town.
Yeah.
So everyone knows everyone.
Yeah, everybody does know everybody, and everybody's lovely. Everybody's nice. We've made we've made a lot of good friends and met some wonderful people. What would our old mate Kerry be? Is Kerry wonderful, Julie?
Yeah, yes, Kerry.
Kerry's wonderful. Kerry, you're wonderful. I wouldn't have it any other way.
Kerry and Terry.
Kerry and Terry. Yes, Terry's our good mate, people. Terry's our good mate. Terry's a very nice fella.
The gentle giant.
He is, eh? Terry's actually helped me out a lot. So has Kerry. They both have. Terry's a real nice dude. I'm going to do something silly, guys, and I don't know what it is. I'm going to find something to do it with. Hang on. Can I get under here? Hey guys, let's do something stupid. Well, I am stupid, so it doesn't really matter. I need a bit of cardboard. Sorry. I might just take two, bro, because I need a bit of cardboard for this. Hey guys, I'm going to do something stupid. I like showing stuff. Look, nothing in it. Empty box. Won't be empty much longer. Hey, I shouldn't do this. I'm ending up with a lot of shop stock. Expanding foam, guys. Look. Hey, where'd the straw go? I had the straw. Oh, there we go, guys. Here we go. There's the straw. It's a click and fix. But let's go like this, guys. Let's shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's get down to business. So, you get the straw and all you do is wind it on, guys, like that, right? Oh, make sure she's tight. Split loose. Let's do this, Jules. Expanding foam. Now this is for filling gaps and crevices and stuff. Whoa, what? Whoa, what? Whoa, what? There we go. There we go.
So ice cream.
It could be ice cream. It's definitely not cream. It's not whipped cream.
Have a taste.
Oh, beauty. Could do with a little bit more sugar. Okay, let's take that off because this is shop stock now. But we have got some acetone to clean it out with. Right, guys.
Does it go hard?
Okay. Yeah. That's why we're going to clean it out. So this is just a cleaner, guys, and I'm going to squirt it in here. There we go. See? Shaders. We go like this, guys, and we just run the chemical through it. Cleans it out. And that is how you keep your product. That's how you keep the straw good, guys. You need a foam cleaner or acetone just to run through it like that. Otherwise, your expanding foam will set in the straw. So that is just another one. Well, I didn't realise you could do that with it. I pulled it off, not knowing it had that. My bad. Oh, there we go. Put that up there because that is now shop stock. But I wanted to show you what it was like, guys. So I just cleaned this out. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't have done that because I keep popping the lid off now. Oh. Oh, there we go. So this one's got in-house now, Jules. As soon as I can find the straw. We'll put that up there. That up there. And then I think I'll drop that off to a mate on the way home. And it hasn't quite set yet, guys, but that's expanding foam. Got a bloody smell about it. So let's let that set. Get that out of Julie's way. Let's put him over there. Over here. But apart from that, everybody have a good weekend, and we will see you all again on Monday. We out, guys.